Okay, I just made the cutest gift for Nat. 52 things I love about you. I don't want to show you guys because he watches, but on every card I wrote something that I love about him. I can't wait for him to open it on Christmas morning. I'm also really procrastinating. I need to wrap all of these gifts while the girls are at school today. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe Christmas is only a few days away. Also, we were a little late getting up for school this morning. Whoops. But the elves decided to bring some Christmas crafts for the girls. I can't wait for them to get home and see it. Also, I have a bit of an addiction. I am obsessed with Ray Dunn. Yes, I am one of those girls. This is that one thing that I just absolutely love.
Mine came with like little stars and stuff, and it said like 10 stuff, so I had to put them on there.
Oh, cute. What'd you get, Callie?
Santa Claus, even though I wanted Christmas tree, but Santa got first.
Santa's pretty cute though.
Mom!
Oh, not like that, Lily.
But it's super.
What's your jersey?
It's super hard.
Don't you just have to like put the numbers?
No, but also
What's that?
we can color on it. Me, Sierra,
Coloring. It's a tablecloth.
It is? Oh my gosh!
And you color it in.
We can put that on our table.
Cute. Okay, show me what this trick is.
So you like twist off the top, but I can't because I'm not strong enough.
Yes, you can. I have faith. Keep going. Twist. You can do it. Go, 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 go. It's so close.
Yeah.
Keep turning. What if you put the pineapple between your legs?
Ooh, yeah. Oh! Yay!
Yay! Good job.
And we like can use this top to probably grow some pineapple.
Really?
Maybe.
Okay, now what's next?
I have to bang it a couple times. I have to find it back on YouTube.
Okay, let's look for it.
Yeah. That the thing that you're supposed to do, you're supposed to bang it on your counter 10 times and keep on doing, like turning it like this and banging it. It doesn't work. Got the pieces open.
let's cut it open.
Let's get to it.